Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex. Today I want to show you this neck massager, EMS induction and traction for neck stretching that this brand sent to me for this video. I'm still blown away of the technology, by the technology of this device over here. You can see, I'm going to show it to you and how it works in a close-up in a few seconds, but you can see that this one will offer you a really nice, it's like a 3-in-1, you know? So you have the heat therapy. You can actually heat it up and have a heat therapy for your neck and your spine and things like that. Or you can have this one, a kind of like an EMS induction, and it's going to be like a really nice little bit of electricity, not much with these pads over here, but it's not going to be much at all. It's just like an EMS induction. It also has a traction like feature. You can, you will kind of like feel that it's going to be doing kind of like this in your neck, up and down, and just doing that stretching and traction, and that is really, really good. And that thing blew me away a little bit. Here's how the device looks. You're gonna find a really nice soft patch over here, but you're gonna put your head and your neck in this curve over here in this device, and you're gonna feel all that. And depending on what mode you're gonna put it in one of those like 3 modes. This is gonna be your remote controller, your power cable. Let's do it. So this is gonna be my personal recommendation, and the cold pads are fantastic. My personal recommendation is if you have a kind of like gym mats, for example, those are going to be like with a little bit of soft cushion, but it's going to be more flat. Do that instead of a bed of a couch, because that's going to give you that nice support that you need over here. So your head is going to be resting in the back part right there, with there's like a calm section, and your neck is going to be resting with those cold pads that are going to be the EMS or the heat. So with this one, you have all the different intensities. Check it out right here. You have all those intensity modes, and then you can do, for example, heat. I'm going to turn it on. So now it's going to be the heat. I'm going to turn it on, and you have the heat and you have the EMS, for example, and they can, I have the EMS acting right now. It's going to be like that kind of like the electricity that I was kind of like telling you before. And you can do EMS A and B, which is going to be one pad or both pads. The heat is on, and the heat is the same thing. You can do A or B, and just making sure that's going to be both things. But then let's do the traction. That's going to be the traction that I was just telling you before. So that one's going to be moving. This is just fantastic. I just want to relax right now. It is really good. The heat, I think I'm going to just turn it off just like that. And you can also put an, and you can see that it's lifting my head, because it's going all the way to the back and then coming down again, slowly doing that traction and stretching of your neck. So you can see that. This is just fantastic. It's really good. I'm going to show it to you in a closer look without my head in it, so you can see it better. So this is how it looks right here. Check it out. It's lifted all the way. That's a platform that it keeps going up and stretching your neck. And then when it's done, it's going to actually go back down with the plates. And if you want to add the heat and the EMS, check it out. It's going down and back again. And it will repeat it as much as you want, just like as much times as you want. This is number 2, so out of 15. So it's now number 13. But check it out. I want to just show it one more time. How is it going up? And that will be stretching your neck all the way up, just like that. This device is just out of a sci-fi movie, and I love it. You're going to love it too.